this comes with Windows 10 Home. What the? Come on, let's get rid of that Windows Home. Let's get some Windows Pro. Copy and paste my code from the description. You can also get Office 2019. Just paste my code. Woof. It's Windows Pro time. Alright, so we're here at Windy Knife Point and look at all the cars. Very early. I bet you they're all Apple employees. Because why else would they be here? That many employees for launch day. Let's see if there is anyone at Apple. Let's see if anyone cares about this launch. We'll soon find out. Alright. We're at Knife Point now. Let's go see if there's anyone here at the launch. Oh look, there's people actually waiting. Oh my god. That is like heaps compared to last year. What the hell is going on? I have to wait that long? Are you kidding me? So it looks like everybody's been told to wear green beard on that guy. Oh, it's actually packed. Wasn't like this last year. What's going on? Is it a green? So remember I was here last year and there was like no one here, and as you can see now, this queue will actually get bigger. And the reason why there was no crowd last year is because the iPhone XS Max and all that got released at a different time to the XR. So all these people that are here, they're basically here for the iPhone 11, not the iPhone 11 Pro. So if the iPhone 11 Pro was launched at a different time to the 11, this crowd wouldn't be here. They're all here for the 11. So yeah, amazing. They got some customers this year. Woo! Let's go see the massive queue at the Samsung store and see how it is down there. Samsung store right next to the Apple store. Oh, it's actually open, which is interesting. It's pretty early, so it's before 10 o'clock, so let's go in there and get a case, I guess. Samsung, you'll get a customer one day, maybe. No customers. Alright, so I've tried to get out of the wind as best I can. So anyway, you've seen all the propaganda reviews, you know, Apple trying to control the narrative, giving all the phones to the sycophants, putting their glowing reviews up. Check out my channel, check out Ash's channel, Vitudio, and you'll see proper reviews of these iPhones. That is not an iPhone, that is a case for a Samsung. Here we have it. Look at that, the green, British Racing Green, I'm calling it. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad, but yeah, I'm calling this British Racing Green because I'll put up a screenshot. You'll see it's exactly like British Racing Green. And we also have the minty green. You know, stay tuned. I will review both of these. I'll compare it to the Note 10. Actually filming on the Note 10 now. So if the video sucks, blame the Note. Blame the Note. You always blame the Note. Blame Samsung. All right, so let's unbox it, have a look. It's easy to get inside Apple. You just go woof. And you drop it, boom, 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 woof again, woof. And yeah, there you can see the box in all its glory with no reflections now. That British Racing Green, I'm calling it. Very beautiful. And this is the minty green box. A lot of people there today. It's very surprised that there was quite a few people. Let's go there. Oh, nice. Oh, that looks mad. Gotta say, that looks mad. And there's the... Ooh, look at that. That look cool. Wow. That is a nice finish on that matte green there. That sort of Jaguar racing green, British Racing Green. Well, they call it midnight green. It looks very grey, doesn't it? See how it looks compared to the box. See? You need some really bright light to make it look like the box. I'll tell you right now, it doesn't look like the box. It looks nice. In person, that looks really nice. And the camera module actually looks like a piece of engineering masterpiece here. Of course, one piece of glass, this whole thing. You got the matte, and then you've got the glossy finish here. That's a trick that watchmakers have used, using brushed and polished sort of surfaces there. They always have that sort of contrast. So how is the quality of the Note footage here? Let me know. And then we have this minty green. Oh, everybody, this is the one you want. Everybody's lining up for this. I actually got told by the bloke, well, there's such a queue this year compared to last year at the stores because the iPhone 11 and Pro are being released at the same time, where the XR wasn't released at the same time as the XS, and everybody's getting this. This is the one you get. I mean, really, unless you really have to have OLED or a telephoto lens, just save your money. Just get the 11, don't get the Pro. This looks nice on the side. Look at that, that's beautiful. Note, focus, focus, Note. You can do it. Note, Note, please focus, you can do it. Yeah, but this is a chunky monkey here. I gotta say, yeah, it's a bit of a chunky monkey compared to the Note. It does focus in there. Yeah, it is a chunky monkey, and it does have the big bezels. So yeah, you can see the size difference there. See, the Max is heaps bigger. Like, that's more my size of phone there. We all like them big. Of course, inside you get the, you know, the quick charger there, USB-C. Of course, nothing else, everything else is the same, and you get the crappy charger in that one. So let's just have another look at this in all its glory. Note 10, filming, nice finish on the side. That is a beautiful thing. And yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I mean, I thought it looked a lot worse in the pictures. When you see it in person, it looks alright. Doesn't look too bad. Actually looks better on the Max version than it does on this one, so take that off. That is a nice colour. Nice colour there. I'm really digging this colour. This is cool as. And yeah, stay tuned for my review. As you can see there, you get the crappy 5-watt charger in this one. Yeah, that is what it is. Yeah, you think Apple. I turn off fast charging if I can anyway. I don't like fast charging, it kills the battery. So, you know, stay tuned. Catch you next one, guys. Tally ho.